Hello, welcome to Ministry of Botany. My name is Dino Zelenica and I'm based in Bristol, United Kingdom. I have had a passion for plants since I was a small child and have specialised in orchids since I was 12 years old. I am also a qualified orchid judge with the British Orchid Council, as well as an importer and seller of orchids. So there will certainly be videos about orchids. However, I also love gardening and other plants, including pelargoniums and carnivorous plants, so there will be content on other plants too. This will include guides and tutorials on cultivation, as well as various gardening projects. I am a historian by training, with undergraduate and master's degrees in history, and I am also a foodie. This includes growing herbs and other edible plants to use in my cooking, and I will upload some of my recipes here. Another passion is travel, which led me to establish my own travel company, Real Escape Travel. I love seeing plants in their natural habitats, and nature travel videos will also be uploaded here. I specialise in orchid and botanical tours, and also gastronomic and cultural tours, particularly to the Balkans and Myanmar. For other travel content and international cookery that is not related to plants, please check out my other channel for Real Escape Travel. So if you like orchids, other plants, nature travel and cooking with plants, this is the place for you. Thank you for watching, enjoy the channel, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.